Imagination is more important than knowledge. When people think of genius, one name almost always comes to mind: Albert Einstein. His wild white hair, thoughtful eyes, and revolutionary ideas made him one of the most recognizable scientists in history. But his journey to greatness was far from ordinary. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, Germany. As a young child, he was quiet and deeply curious. He loved asking questions about nature and spent hours trying to understand how the world worked. A simple compass given to him by his father amazed him. Even though he couldn't see the force moving the needle, he realized that invisible laws govern the universe. That moment sparked a lifelong fascination with science. As he grew older, Einstein developed a passion for mathematics and physics. Although he disliked strict school rules and memorizing facts, he excelled in subjects that required logical thinking. By his teenage years, he was already studying advanced mathematics on his own. After finishing school, Einstein moved to Switzerland, where he studied at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. Finding a teaching job proved difficult, so he accepted a position as a patent examiner in Bern. During the day, he reviewed inventions. At night, he explored some of the biggest mysteries in physics. Then came 1905, a year now known as Einstein's miracle year. In just a few months, he published 4 scientific papers that transformed physics forever. One explained the photoelectric effect, another proved the existence of atoms, a third introduced the special theory of relativity, and the fourth revealed the famous equation E equals mc squared, showing that mass and energy are different forms of the same thing. Einstein's discoveries challenged ideas that scientists had accepted for centuries. 10 years later, he introduced the general theory of relativity, describing gravity not as a force, but as the bending of space and time by massive objects. This revolutionary theory changed our understanding of the universe. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. His work later became essential for technologies such as solar panels, lasers, and many modern electronic devices. As the political situation in Germany became increasingly dangerous in the 1930s, Einstein, who was Jewish, left his homeland and settled in the United States. He joined the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he continued his research and became one of the world's most respected scientists. Although Einstein's work helped shape the modern age, he was also a strong advocate for peace, freedom, and international cooperation. He believed that science should benefit humanity and often spoke out against war and injustice. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein passed away at the age of 76. But his legacy lives on. His theories continue to guide astronomers, physicists, and engineers as they explore black holes, gravitational waves, and the origins of the universe. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." His life reminds us that curiosity, creativity, and the courage to question accepted ideas can change the world forever. More than a century after his greatest discoveries, Albert Einstein remains a timeless symbol of human intelligence and scientific achievement.